Hello and welcome to CTS Cement, producer of rapid set cement and component shrinkage compensating cement. In just a few moments, we're going to be demonstrating some of our pavement products that are based on rapid set cement. I'm Matt Samble, Vice President of Product Development. And before I tell you more about our cement and our products, I want to tell you a little bit about our great people. We have amazing engineers, material scientists, and chemists, including multiple PhDs on staff, who are researching technology and developing new products. We have great production and quality teams that are working literally around the clock to keep up with production, make sure we have enough products, and make sure that those products are of the highest quality. We've got a great team of sales and technical support staff whose sole job is to help our customers have more success. CTS Cement is the largest U.S. manufacturer of calcium sulfoaluminate cement, or CSA cement for short. It's much easier for me to say. RapidSet is a standalone balytic CSA cement that delivers speed, strength, and durability. RapidSet products are fast. Many of these products gain structural strength in just 1 hour. Also has very low shrinkage, so that means we have a reduced risk of cracking compared to competitive concrete products, and superior resistance to sulfate attack. They also have long life durability. For example, we placed RapidSet cement concrete at SeaTac Airport back in the 90s. We've had independent labs come out and test the in-place concrete multiple times over the years. And they found that not only does the compressive strength continue to grow well beyond the 28 days, but the flexural strength today is actually double what it was when they first started landing planes on it. Now, we recently completed Environmental Product Declarations, or EPDs. And what those have showed is that the global warming potential of RapidSet cement is 25% lower than that of Portland cement. So that means CTS cement has actually saved the Earth almost 1.5 billion pounds of carbon emissions just by replacing Portland cement with RapidSet cement. And these are real numbers. These come directly from the EPD, so that's a certified official accounting of CO2 emissions. Plus, we're doing this without having to dilute our cement with inert fillers like limestone. So we're very proud to do our part to reduce global carbon emissions. RapidSet's been used on a wide range of bulk applications, highways, airport panel replacements. It's been used in tilt-up construction, precast, cast-in-place, large industrial and commercial floors. Really, it's been used in all aspects of concrete repair and restoration. So RapidSet products will save time and money and yield long-lasting results. So let's get to the fun stuff. Today we're going to be demonstrating the concrete mix in the green bag. This product is designed to set in 15 minutes and gain structural strength in just 1 hour. We also have the DOT concrete mix, which is a polymer modified and fiber reinforced concrete that also contains corrosion inhibitor to help protect the embedded rebar. Then we have asphalt resurfacer, which is a cement-based repair for asphalt, which is great on asphalt cracks or resurfacing your existing asphalt. And the asphalt repair mix, which includes a 3/8-inch aggregate for deeper pothole repairs. So I hear they're already starting to mix in the back. While they're doing that, I'll remind you that these products are all based on RapidSet CSA cement. It's a standalone balytic CSA cement, which means it doesn't have to be blended with Portland cement or gypsum or anything else for that matter to get high early and long-term strength. So what Ralph was placing here, this is the concrete mix in the green bag. It's one of our most popular products. I mentioned it's engineered to set in just 15 minutes, so it's very, very fast, and it gains structural strength of 3,000 PSI in just 1 hour. It contains a 3/8-inch aggregate, so it's ideal for repairs from 2 inches up to 24 inches. It can be used on formed work, pavements, setting posts, or any kind of concrete where you need fast set and low shrinkage. When I say low shrinkage, that means there's a reduced risk of cracking. So I mentioned the 1 hour compressive strength is 3,000 PSI and will achieve 6,000 PSI in 28 days. So it's a very high strength product as well. Now, after we place the concrete, we recommend water curing it. So we want to water cure it for about 1 hour. And you start water curing after the product starts to harden, but before it loses its moist sheen. And what water curing does, it really helps to maintain the proper amount of water inside the mix. So that way the cement can properly hydrate. So Jose is just finishing up the concrete mix now. This is great for any kind of concrete application. It's a very fast set, very high strength, and low shrinkage. Now I'll just put a broom finish on it. That's all there is to it. If you come up and take a look, these are the ones we did the last couple of days, so you can see each of these. This is the concrete mix from Tuesday and Wednesday, and then also the DOT concrete mix. So we'll be able to come up and take a look at the strength in about an hour and see how much stronger it is or how it gains the structural strength in just 1 hour. The next product they're going to be bringing out is the DOT concrete mix. This is polymer modified and fiber reinforced, and also contains the integral corrosion inhibitor. So this is great for all kinds of DOT projects. It's really ideal for pavements or sidewalks, highways, bridges. It's very easy to install, just like any other regular concrete. So this one's engineered to set and gain structural strength in about 2 hours of about 3,000 psi. So we can open it up to traffic very quickly. The 28-day strength on this is 6,500 psi. Now, do any of us work in locations where the temperatures drop below freezing? Some cold weather. This one, you'll be glad to know, it's formulated for high freeze-thaw durability as well. We don't have to worry about it falling and breaking down in very cold climates. So that's the DOT concrete mix. The next one we're going to be installing is the asphalt resurfacer. Now I mentioned the asphalt resurfacer. It's based on rapid set cement, not actual asphalt. So that gives a lot of advantages. It's highly durable. It's much more durable than an asphalt. It's got the concrete durability. It's also polymer modified, so that allows it to flex and gives it very good adhesion. And it's fiber reinforced, and it contains post-consumer recycled rubber. So that gives it that kind of flexibility, just very slightly, just like your existing asphalt. So this product can be installed from 1/4 inch up to 2 inches thick. Very easy to apply, just trowel down. You'll also see that the color is designed to match your existing asphalt. So this is great for resurfacing pavements or driveways, parking lots. It's also good for crack repair. So I mentioned this is good for applications up to 2 inches thick. If you do need to repair something deeper than 2 inches, it can be extended with coarse aggregate for repairs all the way up to 24 inches deep. But we also have the asphalt repair mix, which already has that aggregate, and we'll be demonstrating that shortly. So Jose's now using the loop roller, and what this does is just gives it a little bit of a texture, which will help it match the existing asphalt. Now this includes self-curing technology, so we actually don't need to apply a water cure to the asphalt products, the cement-based asphalt products, in most weather conditions. So I mentioned the asphalt repair mix. That one's for deeper pothole repairs because it contains the 3/8 inch aggregate, but it has all the key features of the asphalt resurfacer. It has excellent adhesion to asphalt. It's got a very slight flexibility, which will be similar to your existing asphalt as well. So we'll be bringing this one out here. So Rafa's pouring this into a deeper repair, and you can see it has that texture already, the aggregate. Now, if you're familiar with the cold patch type of asphalt repairs, you know they're not very easy to install. You got to pour them into the hole and then tamp it down. And tamping is I know it's not very easy. A lot of times we'll either leave the cold patch too high, and so it's not flat, or maybe we can get it flat, but then it will subside and shrink into the hole over time. With the asphalt resurfacer and the asphalt repair mix, because they're based on cement, they can just be troweled smooth, troweled flat, and it's not going to shrink or subside into the hole over time. So both these products have excellent adhesion to asphalt, and they're durable as well. So they'll be around for years to come. I think we've got some projects on the screen. Let me see if I can see them here. The Isabel Holmes Drawbridge. This is in Wilmington, North Carolina, and NCDOT said that they had to do some repairs. It was sitting on these bearing pads which were anchored to concrete, and the concrete was deteriorating. But the DOT said, well, you can only close this bridge to traffic from 7 p.m. to 6 a.m. on weekdays, and if you open late, it's going to be a $2,000 fine for every 15 minutes late opening. So they specified the DOT concrete mix. It allowed them to open the drawbridge, perform the repairs, gain structural strength, and close the drawbridge each morning to open it up to traffic, and not once did they pay a late fee. The I-10, this is one where an oversized truck took out the crossbeams. So they had to close the road for this one too. And in order to replace the crossbeams, they had to repair 10 pedestals and gain straight to support that crossbeam. So they specified the concrete mix in the green bag because it's very fast setting. And they were able to repair the pedestals, replace that crossbeam, and open that back up in 24 hours as well. And the Salem End Road Bridge, this bridge was built something like 100 years ago, and it had been repaired multiple times over the years, but it was in desperate need of repairs again in 2019, and they specified the DOT concrete mix. And the big challenge about that project is that they had very hot temperatures and very cold temperatures. So when it was hot, they had to use the set control, which is our set retarding admixture, to give it extra working time, and they also used cold water. And when it was cold, they had to warm the surface with warming blankets, and they used a hot water heater to kick off the reaction a little bit faster. The repairs turned out great, and they expect that bridge to last for another 20 years before needing more repairs. So that's it for our demonstration today. Can I get a hand for these guys doing the demonstrations and the team in the back doing the mixing? Thank you. Please come on back for our next presentation at 11 o'clock. Come on up and get a closer look at these repairs, get all your questions answered.